Howdy everybody. I guess I'm in the frame. Yeah. How y'all doing? Miss Courtney and the baby's back
again
at the shop. The baby's sleeping right now though. We got this bouncer thing just up here on the table, so she's just hanging out. Miss Courtney. Miss Courtney is exhausted. Colton is exhausted. She got me up at 1:30 this morning. Said, hey, get up. I'm tired.
I didn't say, hey, get up. I just said, you don't get up. I'm tired. And then you got up.
Anyhow, we've been alternating. I'll show y'all Miss Crampson up close here in a minute. We're fixing to pull some orders that sold overnight. And then we're going to talk a little bit about what our goals are moving forward with eBay, because I got some big plans.
Like the song.
So we're going to go over that stuff, and we're going to see how fast you can grow a eBay business. But we're already kind of established, but from being semi-established, I guess, how fast you can grow it and how big, that kind of thing, what our goals are, where we're at now, that sort of deal. And then we're going to talk a little bit about the thrift store when we plan on opening, and I guess that's it right now. I really got nothing else. You got anything? Thank you all for everything, all the congratulations, all the well wishes, all the gifts y'all sent Miss Crimson. She got her blanket. Didn't one of them send that to us? Or no?
Yeah, it's two different outfits. But
yeah, we got two different outfits on her now, kind of pieced together. We got the little foxes. Well, I'll show y'all in a minute. Hold on. Okay, so here is Miss Crimson. What I was going to show you just now, her little outfit. So we got the little fox outfit on her legs, and then this one says Dreamer on the top with the cloud.
Because the top that goes to the fox is your short sleeve and it's cold outside.
Yeah, it's cold. It matches, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Crimson.
She's snoozing.
Yeah, she's been awake all morning. Now she decided to go to sleep.
She likes her blanket though.
She does. That blanket has been a lifesaver because it's so soft. When she was at the doctor the other day, what was it?
Her wellness check.
They were doing what to her though? What kind of check was it?
They pricked her foot.
They pricked her foot, and she was only in a diaper, and all the thing that would calm her down was a soft blanket wrapped around her. Anyhow, let's pull some orders, and we'll go from there. Okay, y'all gonna have to excuse the music. I mean, deal with it. First thing we gotta grab is a Godzilla vs. Kong. Picked this up at Walmart RA right before we went in the hospital. Got two of these jokers too. These are the Godzillas. We sold Kong, which is right here. How much do we pay for them?
I think they were $7.
I think you're right.
5 or 7.
I think he was, I don't know, 5 or 7. I'll have to look. He's an 11-inch action figure. The movie's coming out soon. Can't wait to watch that Joker. Just a little figure. Anyhow, this sold $43.50, free shipped, so happy with that.
Yeah. This looks like
I keep hearing a bird tweeting. Is that?
Yeah, it's that. It's got nature sounds with it.
Next thing is right here. We sold some of these little Christmas tree pieces. Those two hedgerows and all these. These actually do pretty good if you can find them. I had no idea. These I just found in the box.
Well, that's what we use for
I decided to list them, so pretty cool stuff. Just little like village Christmas trees, little artificial ones. For those, that lot of them right there, we sold them for $17.62 plus shipping.
That's the heater.
Got all kinds of crazy noises in this place.
Hang on, she pushed that up to her face.
She said, "Daddy, shut up." Alright, now we got to get some Wishful Park bootcut jeans, M5A00. So we got to go over to M5. This is A barrel. And we got to grab out 00. Yum on the bottom there. today I plan on, whenever I'm doing my listings, I'm also doing inventory today. Just straightening and condensing everything back down so we can fit more in here. So these are some Wishful Park, that's our SKU number. Bella bootcut jeans, size 5, dark wash denim flare bottom pants, $18.74 buyer pay and shipping. Now we got to get a Spodes Jewel K3. Is K over here?
No.
Down here. This little teacup saucer deal, it's got a pink rose on it. Made by Spode, just a little plate. And this is $9.70 buyer pay and shipping. I ain't done this in forever. Rookie. Alright, so the next lady contacted me on eBay yesterday, and she's in Hawaii, and I didn't ship to P.O boxes, I guess, or something, and that's all she had in Hawaii. So she wanted to know if she could cancel, and I told her I'd cancel if she could rebuy it. I'd turn on where I'd ship to P.O boxes, but I never could figure out how, I guess, so she never could. But anyhow, she bought, after she was waiting on me to relist it, she started searching our store and bought every one of these things from us. And she's sending them to her daughter, and then her daughter's going to repackage them and send them to her and keep one or two of them, I guess. So let me show you these. So these trinket boxes,
Just set him right there.
right here. So she bought this
Pan
one.
Hope you just did not break it.
I just felt my stomach hit the floor. Bought that one. This one. I don't do good around breakables. This one. This one. And this one.
God, that one's heavy.
So for these 5 here, we got this one.
That one's heavy.
Yeah, this is the original one she wanted to buy, just like a little decorated container. Trinket box, pill bottle, whatever you want to call them. And that one, this little one, wooden one. That one, it's like a pottery, and this one's like a pottery too. And for the 5 of them, $75.21 plus shipping. So awesome sale with that. Hopefully she likes them. Maybe she'll watch this video after. Thank you for the support and the messages you sent. Alright, right here we got to grab this. This is our last one now.
Yep.
St. Nicholas Square. Sold them all but this one. Well, this one's sold now, so we sold it too. This is Taking Pictures with Santa. Just a little
It's the battery
village
operated
piece deal. I ain't got a power cord for it, just battery operated. $52.49 free shipping. It weighs like 2 pounds, so that's awesome.
That's the lightest one I think we had.
Now we sold a lunch box, a little green alien.
It's a Toy Story.
Right here off a Toy Story. Picked these up at a yard sale for $1 a piece, I think it was. And this sold $8.70 buyer pay and shipping. Now we got to get a Coca-Cola. And I ain't even having to move today, am I?
Which one is it? Postcard, stationery, big box, little box.
This is it. Right here. So this is some Coca-Cola Travel Refresh Collection postcards. They're sealed in there. Picked these up. Got the whole lot of the Coca-Cola stuff, like 10 or something.
Yeah,
This one sold $10.50 free ship.
We pretty much paid for them all.
And that's our orders going out for today. So happy with them. Dread packing them up, but we're gonna get it done. We're gonna list today, and then I'm gonna come back to you here in a minute to talk about what goals we have and what we're planning on doing. She loves when we cut off the lights and she looks at them. I guess because her eyes are so blurry and out of focus, they look pretty to her or something. I don't know. I can't remember when I was a baby. Can you?
No.
Anyhow, come back to you in a minute. Alrighty, guys and gals, y'all can see Miss Little Bit's over here eating her bite. It's kids eating me out the house and home. I'm gonna be frank with you. We've been using these Can you show them that real quick, that bottle? Or you can get a different one? She was on Enfamil NeuroPro, the yellow, just a regular. And then she got the colics, what they said at the doctor. Because, I mean, she was, every morning from like 2 to 8, she was screaming like something serious. And having gas issues and stuff. So they switched her to this Genelese, these little bottles. Sorry. That is bad. So they switched her to the I'm sorry. I give it back. They switched her to the Genelese, and right now we've been using we got the anti-colic bottles and the powder, you know, but we're not going to do that yet because she only eats about 2 ounces of feeding, 2 to 3 usually. Sometimes she'll eat 4, but until we make sure her stomach issues are okay, that way we're not introducing air into her and stuff. These little bottles right here are working pretty good. But they're like $30 for 24 of them. And she eats 24 of them in about a day and a half.
At times.
That's all good. We're going to switch her probably in the next week or so. We're going to incorporate the powder to it, you know, like every other one, and then we'll switch her full onto the powder. But just to make sure her belly's doing good, because it did really good last night. She wasn't screaming and hollering as bad, so we're on the right track.
Just getting her introduced into it.
I'll be back to y'all. Cut. Alrighty, I'm back. I had the phone call. I forgot what I was talking about. Miss Crimson done with her formula, and she's just chilling now. I think that's what I was talking about. Anyhow, we're going to keep her on that, and then we're incorporating the powder. Every other one, then we're going straight to the powder. But anyhow, y'all want to see Miss Crimson up close and live action?
She's going to get mad at you.
Tell him. Say, hello, YouTube. Tell him. Say, hey. Say, hey. See that camera blinking? Everybody's watching you. All over the world. Wow. Wow. She had jaundice, but it's going away now. Just, I guess, part of it. But they never got high enough to need the lights or nothing like our other kid. Lily, she had to have the lights. Anyhow, our goals for eBay coming up. It is, as of, let's see, when y'all watch this, February the 18th-ish, somewhere in there. And our sales on eBay as of now for the last 31 days is $3,368.56.
But we haven't really been listing either.
Horrible. We usually run our sales on our eBay store usually anywhere between $4,900, about $5,000 a month to $7,000 a month. Usually between there, somewhere in between there. And we're fixing to kick it up a bunch. I want to set a new goal for us. A long term, by the end of the year, I want this eBay store to be making, by December the 31st, long term goal, I want it to be bringing in $20,000 a month.
That's a stretch.
Short term goal it's February the 18th, so we'll say by June the 1st, I want this eBay store to do $10,000 a month. And then we'll set another milestone of $15,000 a month by September 15th, something like that. But we're going to try to grow it as fast as we can, and what that's going to mean is we're going to try our best to list a minimum of 40 items a day. We're going to try our best to list 40 items a day, 280 items every single week, which means we have to source and find 280 items to list every single week. It's going to be rough. We're not going to get there overnight. I want that to be a goal moving forward. We're going to try to do that. Hopefully by the end of the year we can make $20,000 a month on eBay and see how fast it takes to grow it there. I know we can do it. We just got to get back after it. It's going to be a challenge. It's going to be...
Especially getting the store open.
It's going to be... I mean, you know, y'all are just seeing... Going to be chronicling most of the eBay stuff, but I mean, anybody can do this. I mean, if you're sitting there going, well, I got to work, you know, full time, or I got kids. Well, we got the newborn too. We're opening up the thrift store, and along with our other 2 kids, they're schooling. We got a full plate as well. It's going to be hard. It's going to be rough, but I think it's completely possible. We just got to get the motor cranking, don't we? Huh? Get that motor cranking. We're going to try to niche down a lot too, to a certain niche. I'll reveal that later on. I'm still doing research on them, but yeah. Anyhow, but with that coming, I mean, if you're listing that many items a day, you can expect you're going to be selling a lot more days. So that's going to take up a huge chunk of time. So we're looking at stuff that we don't have to, you know, if they could just slide down in a poly bag or bubble mailer, all the better. Make our shipping easier. Trying to streamline the shipping process too, but we'll unveil that more as we come. As far as the shop goes, the thrift store goes, we're just now really getting back into work. Today's really Miss Court, well, their second day over here, was over here yesterday. So we're going to try to open up the shop within a month, so maybe by March, middle of March, hopefully we'll have it up and running by then, to at the latest the end of March. So that's what we're working with. We're going to be busy. I don't know how often we're going to be able to do the YouTube videos as well, because I mean, time's got to come from somewhere, and YouTube makes the less money.
Well, if we do make a video, it'll be a couple days.
Yeah, so I mean, it may be twice a week we have videos. I don't want to commit to anything more than that because
we just don't know.
Yeah, I have no idea. It's going to be busy, so. But it's time to get back to going, get the things back rolling, get everything back up, get the sales back going. That kind of deal. Tell everybody thank you for everything. Tell them. Say thank y'all. Say I'll come to love you. Anyhow, thank y'all for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. By the way, that St. Nicholas Square House and them trinket boxes were going to the same buyer. I had no clue. But that is awesome, awesome, awesome of you. So if you do watch this, thank you for that. Thank you for the support. And hit the like button, subscribe. Am I still in frame?
I don't know. It's hard to say.
Hard to say. I think I turned the camera. Hit the like button, share, subscribe, and we'll see all y'all on the next video. Tell them bye. Say see ya. Adios. You looking at them Christmas lights, ain't you? Ooh, cross-eyed. And they're back normal. Say, see y'all later.